Real estate market trends for sellers and homeowners in Perrywood, staying ahead of the game. Hello homeowners in Perrywood, welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving into an essential topic that every homeowner considering selling their property should know: the current real estate market for homeowners in Perrywood. So even if you are not selling your property in Perrywood, it's always a good thing to know what is going on in the marketplace. You may want to refinance or take money out. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will not miss any future updates on real estate trends and tips for homeowners and sellers in Perrywood. So let's begin by examining the overall market conditions in Perrywood, townhouses and single family houses. Okay, so as of summer 2023, January to August 2023, the local market has shown strong buyer demand and low inventory, right? We have a lot of buyers in the market, but we do not have a lot of sellers. The average days on the market to get an offer is 33 days, while it was 10 days in 2022. It takes longer to get an offer in 2023 because buyers are taking their time, even though we have low inventory. But that's the way it is. Let's talk about the pricing trends. Home prices in Perrywood have been appreciating for townhouses, but there's a slight decrease for single family houses when compared to the same period last year. So remember, this is an average. It is crucial for sellers to stay informed about recent comparables in the neighborhood to set the right price, the right listing price if you're looking to sell in Perrywood. So what are we talking about when we talk about the average price? The average price for townhouses that was sold from January to August of 2023 in Perrywood is 462, while it was 441 in 2022. So there's an increase, right, for the same period of time. For single family house, the average sales price year to date is 551,000, while for 2022 it was 592. There is a slight decrease from the same period last year for single family house, but regardless, home prices are still, they're not dropping, right? They're appreciating. So do not be alarmed because there's a slight change. Now that you are aware of the current market trend for sellers in Perrywood, it is time to take action. If you are considering selling your home or have any question about the process, I'm here to help you. Contact me to schedule a personalized consultation for your property. No obligation if you just want to know what is going on and how much you can get for your house. I am available to help you. So thank you for tuning in today's video. If you have found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone you may know may be interested in selling their home in the DMV area or any part of the union. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more on real estate tips and insight. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.